Transform the view from your deck with easy-to-install RailFX's FlexFX hardware for wood, metal, or sleeved posts. Easy-to-use push-lock or push-lock fittings simplify installation for pros and non-pros alike and don't require any special tools. To install, fittings are laid out on posts at the desired cable spacing and pre-drilled for fittings that are driven into place with a drill and supplied hex bit. Here, each cable run requires a tensioning push-lock fitting on one end and a non-tensioning push-lock fitting on the other. Cables are inserted in the non-tension fittings first and pushed in to lock in place, then stretched to the tensioning fitting where it's marked for cutting. The cable is cut with wire cutters. When inserting, twist the cable clockwise or rotate the fitting counterclockwise as the cable is pushed in to lock in place. Then, finger tighten the tensioning fittings to take the slack out of the cables. Final tensioning is done using two supplied open-end wrenches and begins with the middle cable and fans out, alternating up and down until ending with the top and bottom cables. For cable runs over 5 feet, intermediary posts are needed for strength and support. These install easily and match the overall layout so cables pass through in perfect alignment. On the post topping the stairs, holes are drilled so cables pass through completely, with post protector tubes installed to prevent wear at the bend. For hardware, tensioning push-lock fittings are installed along the upper post, with hinged, non-tensioning fittings along the newel. Cables are threaded through the intermediary post first, then through the wood post and into the newel where it's locked in place. Then the cables pulled taut, marked along the tensioning fitting for cutting, and inserted into the fitting. Ideal for interior and exterior projects, the FlexFX Program stainless steel cable and fittings are perfect for unobstructed views on your deck, balcony, or stairway. The FlexFX Program includes hardware options for wood, sleeved, or metal posts, and is available in 1/8 and 3/16 thicknesses. For more information, visit RailFX.net.